Hi, in this video I will show you how to change language on your SIGMA ROX cycling computer. Let's start by opening the menu by pressing this button. Then you need to scroll down to the settings and open it. Then scroll down to device and open it. There you have language. Open it and you can switch supported languages by pressing plus and minus buttons. We will choose English and confirm the change by pressing the triangle button. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.